Hello, it is me Ashik. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very important things, which is sometimes we want to filter our terms listing. This is actually our taxonomy. This is state taxonomy, and we have created a listing, taxonomy listing, and showing in here. And we want to create, we want to make it searchable. Like when I'm just writing here, for example, Abuja, then this will be showing. This calls search term by term title, something like this. I apologize for my weak English. So first of all, we need to add some code, and we will do step by step, and you will get the code link in the description below. Okay, so first of all, here we need a plugin which is WP code, and I have installed WP code, and I have added this one. Then I have added a new code snippet which is PHP snippet. Then here I have added the, what should I say? I have added the code. Here, as you can see, search by term name, we need this. Okay, just need this. So I'm opening this one in a new tab. Then we have one more plugin which is Z Engine. Now after installing the Z engine, we need to go to the query builder. Then we will create a new query, and I have already created a query. Can you see? And here I have added the query name, filter taxonomy. Then here is the query type. Query type is term query. If I just show it to you, here is the contributors and here is the state. So this is actually our state. Okay, this is actually our taxonomies. So here we have selected terms query, and here we need to add a query ID. This is most important. So for the time being, I have added filter tax. Okay, we need it. Just added this one. Then scroll down. Here in the general, we have added our taxonomy, which is state. Then I have just simply clicked on update. Now our important part is Z smart filters. Okay, we need to add a new filters. So I have already added a filters, and I have selected this one, search, and I have actually add a name term search by filter. Then here we need to select by custom field from query variable. Then here is the query variable, which is very important. In the code snippet, we have added search by term name. So we need to copy this one, and we need to paste it in here. Okay, just paste it in here. Then we have to just simply update this one. Now I want to add the Z search filter. Okay, the search filter in this page. So simply I need to edit this page. So I'm simply clicking on here, and I have already added this one in here. Now the most important here, just what should I say, notice carefully. Here is our listing. Can you see? This is our listing, and we need to just scroll down. Here is custom query. Can you remember we have created a new custom query which is filter taxonomy? So we need to simply added this in here. So we have added filter taxonomy. Perfect. Now the most important part, we need to go to the filter advanced, advanced. Then scroll down. Here is the CSS ID. We need to just simply give the same name for the time being. For making it very easier, we will use the same thing. Okay. Here in the query ID, we have added filter text. The same thing we will add as a CSS ID also. Perfect. And after that, we'll search here, search. Then here you can see search filter. We have just drag it and drop it in here. Then here is our search filter, and showing, I have showed the search filter name, which is terms search by filter. As you can see, terms search by filter. And here this filter for is that engine, because this listing is created by Z engine. Now scroll down. Here is query ID. Can you see query ID? this one. We have to just simply copy this one and paste it here. The same thing, query ID. Okay, and that's it. It will work perfectly. Okay, so that's it. Now if I just write anything, for example Dhaka, then this will be showing. Can you see? This is the thing, and this is the way it works. Obviously you will get the code in the description below, and